like her uncle, because he does stuff like that, and he knows about the way. He's like, yeah, stuff like that. You know, this price of the sheetrock is this much, and then the labor is this much. So they say, yeah, he gave a good price. I'm like, all right. But it's not $3. It's a little under $3,000. The reason why is because he was saying $3,000 if he does and the labor for the painting, for everything. But instead of doing that, it's like, you know, I'm like, we'll save on that if he doesn't paint it. So at least he'll have the sheetrock up, and then maybe her dad could paint or you could paint. Because painting is easier, right? For you?
Not really. It's not easy. Nothing is easy. When it comes to construction, you gotta get paid. You know how you gotta be careful when you paint. You know, make sure nothing is around. You could knock it down.
No, but I'm saying for you it's easy, right?
Yeah, for me it's easy. I've been painting for a long time.
So
it's a good exercise for your arm, for your leg, when you move around.
You're going the wrong way. What's the wrong with that car?
My public is a police officer.
No, it's a van. It's a work van.
Well, maybe you don't give it to them. Nobody's gonna call. Take a chance. I know this guy used to work with Morales. He used to eat the light. He used to get out of the jar and go eat.